So now we have a folder. We are going to create a document in our folder. So I'm going to double click and open up that folder. Notice there are no files here. So you can choose any kind of document. That plus sign will work for any kind of document. So I'm going to choose new, and then you could create a doc, a sheet, a slide, a form, a drawing, a map, a site. You can create pretty much anything. So let's just to say that I'm going to create a plain doc. So I'll choose doc. And now it's called Untitled. So I'm going to name it something. So I would like to name that, and I'm just going to say sample folder document. Right now, a couple of things to highlight. You may have seen Google advertise its page choice. So I'm choosing page setup right now if I go to File, and I have it set for pageless. You could set it on pages. That would mean you would have pages show up like you would for printing. And you can even set a background color for your page. So maybe I want a pale yellow, and now my page would look like this. So you can change this to pages or pageless. So page setup, and you could go to pageless. And that just lets you have wider images, and you don't have to worry about the interruption of pages. If you're going to print something, you would switch back to the pages. You can toggle at any time, and you can set whatever you want as the default. So if you always use a certain style, just select that style as your default. If you're going to be printing, it's a good idea not to have a colored background. So you would go and keep your white as your background, especially if you're only printing on a black and white printer.